Here, on the shores of the Black Sea, in Batumi, Georgia, two steel figures rise above the promenade. Every evening, they glide toward each other, merge as one, and then drift apart again. These are the statues of Ali and Nino, a moving monument to one of the most unforgettable love stories of the Caucasus. Ali was a Muslim nobleman from Baku. Nino was a Christian Georgian princess. Their love story unfolds in the early 20th century, a time when the world around them was being reshaped by wars, revolutions, and the clash of cultures.
We have the opportunity to marvel at the beauty of Batumi from the crystal clear waters of the sea.
Ali and Nino's romance represented more than two hearts. It was East meeting West, tradition meeting modernity.
Our friendly fruit will ensure you have a fantastic time.
Why are these statues here in Batumi? Batumi is in Georgia, the homeland of Nino. It stands as a cultural bridge, just like the lovers themselves.
Our friendly fruit will ensure you have a fantastic time, and they will see them like to say.
The artist designed the figures to move every 10 minutes. They approach, embrace as one, and then part, symbolizing the eternal cycle of love, union, and separation.
Dear friends, we would like to invite you to join us for an incredibly interesting half-hour cruise on our yacht Okeanis.
Дорогі друзі, ми запрошуємо вас на найцікавішу півгодинну прогулянку на нашій яхті «Океанус». Ви насолодитеся краєвидами Батумі з Блакитного моря, побачите гори у всій красі, а якщо пощастить, то ви зустрінемо зграю дельфінів. Наш екіпаж подарує вам чудовий настрій і можливість зробити прекрасні фото за штурвалом. Ласкаво просимо на борт, друзі. Плаві скоро вирушаємо. Спуск з лівого боку. Дорогие друзья, мы приглашаем вас на интереснейший...
Their love was not easy. Ali and Nino faced the weight of religion, family, and politics. In the end, Ali sacrificed everything to defend his homeland, leaving Nino with only memories.
Вы насладитесь красотами Батуми с Лазурного моря. Увидите горы во всей их красе. А если повезет, то мы увидим с вами стаю дельфинов. Наш экипаж подарит вам отличное настроение и даже разрешит сделать вам классные фотографии за штурвалом. Добро пожаловать на борт, друзья. Мы уже скоро отправляемся. Спуск с левой стороны.
Their story was told in the 1937 novel, Ali and Nino. The novel captured the soul of the Caucasus, a land where East and West collide and where love often carries the weight of history.
Dobbiamo stare al spazio maximum 3 radari. Dear friends, we would like to invite you to join us for an incredibly interesting half-hour cruise on our yacht Okeanos. You'll have the opportunity to marvel at the beauty of Batumi from the crystal clear waters of the sea. Witness the majestic mountains in all their glory. And if luck is on our side, we might even catch a glimpse of a playful donkey pub. Our friendly crew will ensure you have a fantastic time.
Today, the Ali and Nino statue is one of Batumi's most beloved landmarks.
Residence Midlevel, and together is a special start in Tuesday. Half actually the regular start of the challenge is a platform are actually a very heavy. Let us remember that this was a just maybe with that issue of the
saati roşan bir şey.
For some, it's a symbol of romance. For others, a reminder of how fragile love can be. And for many, it's a message that no matter the divisions of culture, love has the power to connect us. Ali and Nino's love story may be tragic, but it's also timeless. This is the eternal story of Ali and Nino.
Join us for an incredibly interesting half-hour cruise on our yacht Okeanos. You'll have the opportunity to marvel at the beauty of Batumi from the crystal clear water.